Rahul, Vijay and I, Abhishek, all three of us loved traveling to the new place. Rahul was fond of hiking and I was fond of photography. And take Vijay, wherever he goes, he will come. As soon as the exams were over, we planned to go to a place to get lost in the summer vacations, where we have never been before and where there is not much crowd. Rahul searched for a place on the internet, the Sarabar forest, which was far away from the city, but this place was perfect for hiking and photography. We took a 3-day trip and set out without knowing the place. When we reached that place, we saw that the forest was very beautiful and very dense. We had never seen such a clean and beautiful place in our entire life. It was very cold inside the forest, and there was also a warning written there. There is danger inside. We thought it must have been written because of wild animals. So we ignored him and went ahead. I took a lot of pictures there. In all the photos, I would see a black image on the back again and again. It's a different matter that I couldn't see anything in front of me. When we went inside, my camera stopped working all of a sudden. You didn't put in the batteries or you forgot. I didn't forget. I put in a new batteries when I left the house. We started going deeper into the forest. At that moment, I realized that someone follows us, watches us. I looked around, but no one was there. I thought it would be my fault. The more we went into the forest, the colder it became, and Andhra too. Not only that, but we had a strange smell there. There were so many animals that died, but we didn't pay attention because the death of animals in the wild is not new. What is this? So cold? It wasn't so cold here a while ago. I think we should move on now. Let's rest a little and then let's go. Hey, where did this wise go? Was it just here? I don't know. Did he go astray by mistake? We started calling out to him. Vijay, Vijay, where are you? We both decided to go separately and beat him. So Rahul and I parted ways and started calling her again. Vijay, who is it? Who's behind the scenes there? Steve! Abhishek! You Steve! Abhishek! Rahul! Where are you, Vinay? Hey! Luckily, I had the temple bell from somewhere and someone had to pull it. I ran that way. I saw that there was also a temple in the forest where a priest was worshipping alone. The priest saw me. "Who are you and what are you doing in this forest?" I told him the whole thing and he said, "This had to happen. This forest is cursed. Somewhere years ago, a woman in this forest, she used to do magic. She would sacrifice the humans who came to the forest and kill and eat the animals here. One day some people saw him doing all this and hanged him alive in this forest. From that day on, anyone who comes here disappears. That is why we have put up warning boards for this forest itself. Didn't you see?" Then I realized what a big mistake we would have made just by ignoring the high tones. The priest told me that I was safe now. That witch can't come in front of this temple. I thanked my luck and left. I still miss my friends so much. It's been 40 years since then. My son lives in another city from his work, and today is my grandson Akhil's birthday. So I'll call him and congratulate him. How do you wish you a very happy birthday? Thank you, Grandpa. I'm going out with my friends today, so I'll talk to you later. Where are you going on a special day? My friends have said that the Sarabar jungle is a very good place. Is that? Listen to me. Don't go there. Hello, Grandpa? Hello, Grandpa?